Right, today we're going to bring an external M.2 NVMe reader. We're going to set this up. It's included with the actual thermal tape, so it won't heat up. We're going to put a 990 EVO to transfer some fast files. So we're going to put a terabyte in here. It's very simple. All you got to do is push the button and release this mechanism. And of course, just put the thermal tape as soon as you set up the actual drive. It clicks on here. You don't need any tools or anything. And of course, just set up your own connection. It's a Type-C connection. Let's put it to use and see how well it works. 990 EVO drive. It's a Samsung it's a 1 terabyte. I put you guys down for a bit, but here it is. All you got to do is click it in there, push it in there. It locks it in place. That's it. Just a matter of just pushing in and out. I wish this was simple in the actual motherboards, but got the most important thing, the thermal tape. We're gonna set that up in here, all right? Okay, very simple. Put the thermal tape, cover it up, and you're ready to use. You need to format it if it's a new drive, all right? So you could run Windows. You could pretty much run games on it and everything else. So as you can see, it's down here right now. So we're gonna go ahead and right click on it, new simple volume. Go ahead and hit next on this one. It's gonna give you not a complete terabyte, but it's almost a terabyte. It's a terabyte, but letter, we could choose any letter we want. We're gonna use X because we got a lot of drives in here. So hit next. This one, NTFS, is the best one because if you lower it down to FAT32, you can only transfer rate of up to 5 gigs. So you want to do larger files in faster rate. Do this, is more secure. Hit next, finish. It's gonna format it. All right, we're just done with the file. We got that 1 terabyte here. It's complete. All right, we're gonna transfer a lot of videos over, around 538 gigs. That's how much we're gonna transfer over. So once we set up our location, we just drag it and drop them into our file, and we're gonna see how fast they are. So right now it's gonna take about 4 hours to transfer into the drive, right? Fewer details, you can go right now. It's at about 34.6 megabytes per second, but it's going to pick up a little faster. I would say close to, depending on your files. And these are large files. They're video files that you should transfer from computer to computer. All right, after 4 hours, here it is. We finally did it. It's left space 392 gigs, so not that bad. I mean, that's a lot of information. So we're going to open one of them and open it up. And I'm going to do that. Running the video out of here is pretty good. So anytime you're working, I'm actually taking the drive, to be honest with you. I'm traveling. I'm working on it. I'm going to be editing and posting videos on the road. This is one way I can do that. So working on the road would be something simple. Simplify the whole system. So very simple. Drive. Reading off the drive too. Look at that. Hope you guys enjoy the video.